Good morning, my dear third grade students. Welcome back to your class. Children, we have started our lesson number 6, light, sound and force. Isn't it, children? In the last session, I had explained shadow and its features. Isn't it, children? Did you observe your shadows in the morning, in the afternoon and at the noon time? Did you observe? What is the difference? In the morning and evening, they are very long shadows. In the afternoon time, they are very short. Did you notice the difference, children? Did you notice that? Okay, those who didn't try, do it and see the length of the shadows with the ruler. Okay, children. Today I am going to explain the topic sound. Okay, till now we had discussed light, shadow, isn't it? Today we are going to I am going to explain about sound. Okay, so what is sound? Let's discuss. Open the page number 217 in your textbook. Page number 217. Okay, children, sound. Every day we get to hear various sounds such as people speaking, bells ringing, birds chirping and so on. Some sounds are loud, example shouting, and some are soft, example whispering. So children, every day we hear different types of sounds, isn't it? Now I am also making a sound. Did you know? I am speaking, so it is also a sound. You are able to hear. So how can you able to hear the sound? With the help of your ears. With the help of your ears, you can listen the sounds, what I am telling, isn't it? So in the online class, when you ask the questions, I am also able to listen your voice, isn't it? So sound. So we will heard different types of sounds, isn't it, children? So some are like people speaking, isn't it? When you talk with each other, you can hear the sound. And bell ringing. When you are in the school, children, our IMS will ring a bell. You can listen the bell and you can know that which period it is. First hour, second period, first period. You will know, isn't it, Nana? So bell ringing sound and birds chirping. So birds also will make a sound, isn't it, children? Did you heard the bird sound? Some birds will make a sweet voice, isn't it, children? Like cuckoo, isn't it? Some birds like crow will make a loud voice of them, isn't it? So we will hear different types of sounds near our surroundings. Some sounds are loud and some sounds are soft. I mean, some sounds are very loud voice, isn't it? Like crackers sound also very loud. And if you shout, children, that sound is also very loud voice, isn't it? If all of you gather together, you will talk. What will happen? It will be a shouting, isn't it? So that sound is also a loud voice. And chirping, next whispering. Whispering means, children, talking in a slow manner, isn't it? Sometimes when teacher is in the class, you will whisper in your friends here. Isn't it, children? Friends, here you will whisper, isn't it? In a low voice, isn't it? So some sounds are loud and some sounds are very soft also. Okay, some sounds are pleasant while others are unpleasant. The sound of the traffic will be unpleasant to our ears. On the other hand, you would not mind sitting through a musical show for a long time. So children, this sounds also two types are there. One is loud sound and another is soft sound. So which sound is pleasant? Pleasant means good, children. Which sound is pleasant? Louder, softer? Which one is pleasant for you to hear? Yes, soft, isn't it, children? If you talk in a polite way, in a smooth way, that will be pleasant for us. So if you are going if you go on it to the road, how the traffic sound will be there? Did you able to hear the traffic sound, children? So it will be all the honks of the vehicles, everything. We will listen the sounds. So that will disturb our mind. Isn't it, children? That voice is very loud. So some voices are unpleasant for us, not good for us. Isn't it, children? If you don't want to hear that sounds of shouting. And some noises are very pleasant, like enjoying the music. Isn't it, children? If you on the TV in a loud voice, can you watch the TV in a loud voice? No. Isn't it? So some voice are pleasant to us and some sounds are unpleasant to us. So if you hear a music, it will be pleasant to us, isn't it, children? If you go to the road, the sounds of the horns and traffic jam, it will not pleasant for us. It is unpleasant for us. So children, here sounds that are good and pleasant to your ears are called music. Means the sounds which are able to hear to your ears, it will be good. If it is pleasant, we call it as a music. isn't it? And sounds that disturb you and are not good, are not pleasant to your ears are called noise. Isn't it, children? Did you observe the difference between the noise and the music? If it is good, you can say it is as a music. If it is like shouting and a loud voice is there, you can say it as a noise. Isn't it, children? When the teacher is in the class, it will be like means every class will be a very silent. Isn't it? If teacher is not in the class, you will shout. Isn't it? So that voice is pleasant for you? No, the voice is not pleasant for you, isn't it? The noise is not pleasant for you. So there is a difference between the music and the noise. Music means it is pleasant to your ears, and noise means shouting in a loud voice. Okay, so this is the difference. So here, children, picture is there. Did you observe this picture? They are singing a song. So it is pleasant or unpleasant for you? Yes, of course it is a pleasant. If you hear the music, it is a pleasant for us. It is good for us to hear. Next, all the cars are here on the road, isn't it? Traffic jam. So if the traffic jam is done, what will happen, children? Each and every car was honking the horns. So we will get a lot of voice on the road. So it will be disturbed for us. So is the sound is pleasant or unpleasant? Yes, it is the unpleasant for us. So here these are the different types of sounds we have discussed. Okay, children, next topic is force. So in the next video, I will explain the force and its effects. Okay, children, what is force and what is effects in the next video, I will explain. Today I want to give a new words for this lesson. So children, start writing new words in your classwork. Mention the heading. Already you done task of the day, isn't it, children? Write down light, sound and force heading, new words. Okay, children, let's see the new words. Children, here are the new words. First one, luminous objects. L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S, luminous, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects. Next, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Third one, non-luminous, N-O-N-L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S, non-luminous. Okay. Next, shadow, S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. Fifth one, friction, F-R-I-C-T-I-O-N, friction. Next, sixth one, force, F-O-R-C-E, force. Seventh one, object, O-B-J-E-C-T, object. Eighth one, pleasant, P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, pleasant. Next, ninth one, applied, A-P-P-L-I-E-D, applied. 10th, effects, E-F-F-E-C-T-S, effects. Next, children, 11th one, source, S-O-U-R-C-E, source. 12th, music, M-U-S-I-C, music. 13th, noise, N-O-I-S-E, noise. 14th, push, P-U-S-H, push. 15th, pull, P-U-L-L, pull. 16th, action, A-C-T-I-O-N, action. 17th one, direction, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, direction. 18th, shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape. 19th, various, V-A-R-I-O-U-S, various. 20, speaking, S-P-E-A-K-I-N-G, speaking. So children, write this 20 words neatly in your classwork. After writing, learn the words, Nana. Everyone should learn the words and then take a pic and then send to me. Okay, children? Thank you.